Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating separate Roblox accounts for each identity you plan to manage. Use distinct usernames and unique, strong passwords for each account. Enable two-factor authentication in Roblox settings and save the backup codes offline somewhere secure. Note the account email addresses and verify each email right away. Install Bloxstrap on your computer and confirm you have version 1. 12 or later before proceeding. Keep a simple spreadsheet with account names and purpose for quick reference and future changes. Open Bloxstrap and select Add Account from the main interface to begin linking. A secure login window appears. Enter the Roblox credentials for the target account only. Authorize Bloxstrap to manage that account and wait for confirmation that linking succeeded. Assign a clear display name inside Bloxstrap and choose whether this profile uses custom arguments or default launch options. Repeat the Add Account process for each Roblox identity you want to manage with Bloxstrap on this device. To use a profile, select it in Bloxstrap and click Launch to open Roblox with that account. Confirm the displayed username in the Roblox client matches the selected profile before joining any game. Keep both Bloxstrap and the Roblox client updated frequently to maintain compatibility and security. Back up your Bloxstrap settings file and store account recovery information offline in a secure location. If an account needs removal, use the Remove Account option rather than deleting files manually to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.